Your Excellency, I now have the further honor to invite the Honorable V.M. Pillay to take the oath of allegiance and the oath for due execution of office.
I, V.M. Pillay, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of Republic of Fiji. So help me God. I, V.M. Pillay, appointed as Assistant Minister, swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold, and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji, and I will solemnly and sincerely promise to uphold my office with honor, dignity, and integrity, to be a true and faithful counselor, not to divulge any secret matter entrusted to me, and to perform the functions of my office conscientiously to the best of my ability. So help me God. First of all, I must thank the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Attorney General for having faith in me and trusting me, and for allowing me to be in this new role as Assistant Minister for Agriculture. And I must also acknowledge the hard work from our Honorable Minister for Agriculture, Honorable Ineas Sriratha. He is a very experienced man, and I look forward to work with him and with his guidance and with his instructions, and I really look forward to this new role. Thank you.
Yes, I just want to know what are your plans for the Ministry of Agriculture in your new role?
Actually, there are no plans yet. I'll be in office and I'll see what are the instructions and the guidance by the Honorable Minister, and upon those, I'll be working according to that.
So would you be able to highlight some of your area of focus for something?
Well, currently, I was also surprised as far as this appointment is concerned. Just give me some time. Let me work very closely with the Honorable Minister with his expertise and his experiences, and maybe I'll be in a better position to discuss on this later. And I must also thank all my Honorable Ministers and Members of Parliament, together with my team back in Ba, family of Nukulua, and all the villages from Ba and the people from Ba district and Fiji and around the world who in the first stage voted me in as a Member of Parliament. Thank you very much.